In this video, we're going to talk about interpreting a remainder when we're dividing with decimals. We're going to do the problem 2 7/10 divided by 5/10. For this problem, I'm going to make the flat equal to 1 whole. So I have my total, which is 2 7/10. So I'm going to represent that 2 wholes. And then because the flat equals 1 whole, then my long will equal 1/10 because it takes 10 longs to make a whole. Therefore, one of them equals 1/10. 7/10. All right, because I am dividing by a decimal, it is going to be easiest to use measurement division. It's easiest to use measurement division because I can measure out 5/10. If you want more explanation on that, please see the video on dividing with decimals. Okay, so let's measure out 5/10. All right, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5/10 here. This is going to be one group. I don't have any more 5/10, so what I'm going to need to do is regroup both of these wholes. All right, in order to do that, I'm going to put down okay, so now I have my wholes regrouped, so I don't have these flats anymore. They have been regrouped into 10 longs each. And so now I can continue to make groups of 5/10. 2, 3, 4, 5/10 is my second group. 5/10 again is my third group. 1/10, 2/10, 3/10, 4/10, 5/10 is my fourth group. Another 5/10 is my fifth group. So I can make 5 whole groups of 5/10. So I can do 5 groups, and then I have this left over. This does not make a whole group. In order to interpret this remainder, I'm going to say how much of a group can it make? Well, one group is 5 of my longs, and I only have 2 longs of another group. So that means that these 2 longs make 2/5 of a group. Now, because we're working with decimals, I'm going to want to think about 2/5 as a decimal value. 2/5 is my fraction. Well, decimals are in tenths, hundredths, thousandths, etc. So I want to make this fraction equivalent to tenths or hundredths or thousandths. Tenths will be easiest or closest. So 2/5 will equal how many tenths? 4/10. As a decimal, that looks like 0.4. So to provide my answer to 2 7/10 divided by 5/10, it will equal 5 whole groups and 4/10 of another group. All right, feel free to reach out and ask any questions you have. Thank you.